Today unboxing is on the Norev Gendarmarie Subaru Impreza WRC. I got this casting from Super Kids Land in Osaka. One thing I realized, Norev and Shuko is highly popular in Japan. Being a JDM in Gendarmarie livery, it immediately caught my eyes. And at 800 yen, it's really inexpensive. Being economical, the presentation is very simple in the flip box. And unlike the blister card, you can see the reverse side of the casting as well, and that's great. The paint on the body is clean with a very sleek livery. The body color scheme is also very close to the Gendarmarie unit. Headlight wise is in plastic insert instead of painted, and I think that's awesome. One thing that slightly disappoints me, the wheel set are in plastic instead of rubber. Unlike the front, the rear light is painted with also the Gendarmarie marking. Scale is not stated in Norev casting, although it's huge. I assume it's in 1:64 in their own terms. I don't really collect Norev, but I think this is a very decent casting with a very decent price point. This casting will definitely looks good in my petrol car collection. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!